Hello, today I'm going to explain how to make a virtual machine and how to install Windows on it. First, we're going to go to your browser and then you're going to type Oracle VM VirtualBox, enter and click the first link. Then you're going to click on download. Then on your left side, you're going to click on Windows host, save. Once it's downloaded, click on it and install it. When that's done, you're going to have a shortcut or like a app on your desktop called Oracle VirtualBox. Once you've done that, then we go into your browser again, and then we're gonna do search download Windows 10 disk image. When you do that, then the first link, you click on it, and then you're gonna click on download now down here. Like that, save. Once it's downloaded, you click on it. Here you're just gonna accept. Here we'll ask you what you want to do. We're gonna click on create installation media, so we get the ISO file. Next, I will just leave it like this. This is the recommendation. Next, and then here it's important you press on ISO file so you get the file. Next, and let's save it on desktop. Save. Now it will begin to download, and when it's done, then we got our Windows 10 ISO file for our VirtualBox. So after you finish downloading Windows ISO file, you will have this file on your desktop. And then you're going to open the program Oracle VirtualBox, double click. Then you get this. And we just click in new, give it a name. I will call it Windows Virtual. And then on ISO image, you're gonna go down, click on other, and select the one you just downloaded, which is this one. Open. Just click on this, skip on until installation to make it easier. Next, depends how much RAM you have. You will give it a little bit. I would give it around 8 GB, and depends your processor. You will give it certain amount of CPU processors. I will give it 4. Yeah. Next, here depends how much space you want to give it. For the Windows, I will give it around 80, and just click next and finish. Now you got your virtual machine with Windows, and click on start. Now you can see it's booting up. Nice, now it's booting up, and as you can see, we are in Windows installation setup. Now you will put whatever language you want and whenever you're living in. I will put this okay, next, press install now. If you have a product key, just type it in. If you don't, just press I don't have a product key. and you will have to choose Windows 10 Pro. Accept this, next, custom install, just press on that and next, and it will begin installing. So when you're done with installation of Windows, then you can come back here and just click on Start. And as you can see, now we have Windows installed in a VirtualBox. So now you're just gonna install some updates and drivers, and it will be good to go. So that was all. Thank you.